Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be doing a Medusa'S makeup unboxing. It's been, I think, exactly a year since my last Medusa'S makeup unboxing. They did send this to me. Thank you so much, Medusa'S Makeup, for sending it to me. Last year's that I got from them was actually so good. I've gotten products from them in the past before ever getting their box to review. Last time it was a box, this time it's in this packaging, which is still really cute. I happen to like the color of it. It's like unique to anything else. I like the color. Anyways, so I'm going to be opening this up, see what I got this time around. I'm actually pretty excited because, like I said, I did have Medusa'S makeup prior to reviewing their stuff last year, so I am very excited to see what I got. So if you're into these types of videos from me, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. I will have Medusa'S makeup linked down below, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, especially if you're already watching this video. It would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, I'm so freaking excited. So this is Glow Up. This is November 2021. This is the #1 cruelty-free vegan beauty bag. This bag includes 5 premium beauty products valued at $71. So let's go ahead. I got my prices here and let's see what we got. And everything seems to be in bubble wrap inside the packaging. Right here. So we have some new products and we also have a featured product. So let's just talk about what the featured product is. So this is the Pink Glow Peony Botanical Nutritious Color in Pink Glow. It's a luminizing stick and it's natural. Here is the packaging. Super cute. And this is what the component looks like. And I guess this is, what is this? Luminizing stick. A foolproof gel-based crayon that instantly delivers soft focus, lit from within color in a flattening hybrid of pink, gold, and luminescence. How to use: simply glide onto your cheekbones and blend with finger for instant radiance and rosy glow. Let's go ahead and just give it a swatch. They definitely had that description down with the flattening rose because it's not super illuminizing. I almost feel like this can be worn on the lips or even like as a lid shade or maybe underneath makeup or underneath a highlighter to make another highlighter pop more, but it's not exactly illuminating too much for it to be really like, you know, something there. And that Pink Glow highlighter stick is $22. So this is a new product here. It's a little pink makeup sponge. Let me see. It says Medusa'S makeup remover pad, which is $5. Okay, so it has this little thing here so you can like put it up so it can dry. I can definitely see how this is a makeup removing pad and I will be getting a lot of use out of this. I'm gonna go put this in my bathroom because I do remove my makeup in there a lot, so this is actually a good little tool to have. Here we have a really pretty product. This is a baked eyeshadow in the shade Woke and it is $14. Here is the packaging, the shade, and let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, really like this for like a summertime yellow look. That's gonna be so cute. And then we have here an Afterglow facial serum, and this is $16. It's the original Afterglow serum, a freshly hydrating blend of grapeseed oil and pink grapefruit. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, it smells good and it went down my boobs. Just rub that in there real quick since we already got the product there. Great. Smells good. Love that. Okay. And then lastly, we have a tinted lip balm in the shade DM, and this is $14. By the way, this is apparently a new product. Oh, and apparently this has rave reviews. So this is the packaging on the lipstick. This is the color. Doesn't really have a scent, so let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Oh, it's very pigmented for it to be a lip tint. Beautiful. Actually, those two colors go really well together. Cool. I'm actually pretty happy about this. I will have it all down below for you guys to go check out. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Have you ever tried Medusa'S makeup? If you have, was it in a subscription box or was it just like you purchased it from the website? Because their bag is everything that they sell on the website. I wish that this was like a little bit more luminizing. It does say a flattening hybrid of pink, gold, and luminescence for an instant radiance and rosy glow. It's not exactly like the most blinding, but this is something that I feel like would be good to put underneath a highlighter, like I said, just to intensify it because it is going to be wet. But yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below on this for sure. You think it's worth the money and that such thing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!